Hey, my friend, Rhonda K here. Are you struggling to find a way to make money online? I know how you feel. You're feeling lost about where to start. You think you need a product or a service or some type of experience to succeed. And what I want to share with you is you're looking for training to be simple, you want to understand it, or you may have even failed previously in other business model or in the digital marketing space, and your confidence is a little low. So this is kind of orbiting around a problem that you have been facing, but you're looking for a solution. And I had that for you today. What if you could earn 100% profits with zero hassle? All right. Doesn't mean that there's not going to be any work involved, but there is a way that you can earn 100% profits without feeling the hassle, without feeling the pressure that you've been selling. And that is reselling courses. And you get to keep all the profits. So there's no inventory, there's no shipping, there's no customer service. You earn 100% profit on every sale. And so these are courses that are already proven to work. People are taking them. It's easy to get started, and you don't have to have any prior experience. So, how do you access this simple process? You get access to these digital marketing courses where you learn from the courses, you apply what you learn, you promote and resell these courses. You use an automated system and it's step by step strategies, so you don't have to worry about that. They show you how to promote these courses. Okay. They show you how to get in front of other people who want to make money online, who may have failed previously, like you, who may think that they have to have experience, who may work full time like you. But the step by step strategy shows you how to promote this digital library. Okay. And so you earn 100% profits. You keep every penny from each sale. You don't have to share your profits. You don't have to share your commissions. No additional commissions or hidden fees or whatever it is that you've experienced previously. None of that is happening. So you don't have to have experience. You are walked through step by step the entire process and through the entire training. So, why does this work so well? Well, one, it's been thought out. The trial and error and the failing and the ups and downs have already been ironed out, all right, by the person who created this entire platform. So there's no product creation for you. You don't need to develop your own course. This digital library of courses is in high demand. So online learning is growing. People want to learn these new skills like you want to learn these new skills. There's no extensive high startup. So there's a low startup. So basically, it puts you on the lower end of no risk. All right. And you're in full control. You can work from anywhere you want, you can set your own schedule. There's a proven course and a proven system that you get. So once you become a member, once you start learning, you get an automated system that's working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while you're out working, while you're with your family, while you're doing things that you desire. And it will take people all the way through the selling point, right? Yes. So what do you get? You get to choose from 4 different course levels. Okay. And each of the course levels, when you go and read them and do your due diligence, each of them provide a step by step how to. And you also get an automated system, and you will set up that system, but you're given a step by step to set up your automated system as well. You're giving a daily action plan where you're working about 2 hours a day. When you're first starting out, it may be a little bit longer until you get the gist of it, but you can start working while you're working full time, but you can start doing this 2 hours a day. So the step by step training are so easy to follow. Okay. People who are new to this industry, they've never seen it before, they rave about how simple it was for them to start. You can resell this course, each course level, and you earn 100% profits. So the course levels are 900, 600, 300, and $100. All right. And so each time you sell one of those, that's how much you will earn. So if you sell the $900 course, which includes all 4 levels, you'll earn $900. When you sell the $600 course, That's the one that includes the 600, 300, and $100 courses. You'll earn $600. When you sell the $300 course, you'll earn $300. You see how that works? So that's what you get, 100% profits. No one is taking that from you. And you get an active, engaging, thriving community of like-minded people just like you. It's pretty exciting. So how do you get started? Well, we've made getting started so easy. You click the link in the video description. You're going to go through that whole process and you're going to watch the videos. You're going to learn about all the different course levels. You're going to see what's involved. And just remember the system that you're going through. Once you click the link in the video description, that is the automated system that you're going to have the opportunity to set up. You're going to have step-by-step instructions, just like everyone else who started at this point, just like you. Okay. And so once you get in, once you get all your questions answered, you're going to go through a couple of videos. It's going to share that with you. This is your step-by-step blueprint video that you're going to watch. All right. So it'll be very engaging for you and it's going to tell you all the things that you need. Just know that you don't have to wait to do this because it's digital. So as soon as you purchase, as soon as you make a decision, you are sent instructions right away because it's all on automation. You don't have to wait for anyone to approve you or see what's happening. It's automatic. There's no complicated setup here. Everything has been laid out for you, okay? So I thank you so much for this short time that we've had together today. Let's connect. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you found this video helpful, okay? So I will see you in the next video. And also check out some of the other videos for some tips for you on how to make money online, starting your online business, how to make money while you're working full time, et cetera, okay? So thanks for watching and many, many blessings.